Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing good and keeping good health. I would like to present information related to Class 7 NCERT SPL Chapter 7 titled Understanding Advertising. Advertisements are very crucial in our day-to-day life. They play influential role in buying the product. Advertisements draw our attention to various products and describe them positively so that we will buy them. Today, we are surrounded by a chain of advertisements or ads as we call them. We watch them on mass media such as television, radio, and newspaper, magazine, and so on. Here, we have two types of advertisements. One is advertising the top taste dal. Second one is advertising the soap for baby care. Look at the two advertisements and fill the table given in the next slide. The table for top taste dal and care soap. What are the advertisements selling? How do they describe the product? What is the text trying to say? What do the pictures convey? Would you want to buy these products after seeing in the advertisements? Let us now solve. What are the advertisements selling? You can fill the information in top, taste, dal and care soap. What they are related to. First one is related to dal. Okay, good. Second one is soap. How do they describe the product? Top taste dal. They're telling the title they are giving top taste dal. For soap, express your love afresh. What is the text trying to say? Guest should be served this dal. Top taste dal always we serve the guest. In our day-to-day life, we eat ordinary dal, but whenever guests come, we make special dishes such as the top taste dal. Children should be given best care. This column, children should be given best care while handling in the childhood. What do the pictures convey? Hospitality of a host. This is the theme of the picture. And in case of care soap, love of a mother. Would you want to buy these products after seeing the advertisement? Yes or no? If you want to buy, you can write yes. If you don't want to buy, you write no. In case yes, yes. Building brands and brand values. Have you ever heard of the word brand? Advertising is all about building brands. At a very basic level, branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. See here, we are branding the names for soap. We have Dove soap, Synthol, Dettol, and then Vivel, Rexona, and these are all different Mysore sandal brand names for soap. Similarly, we have brand names for shoes also. We have Puma, Reebok, Adidas, Bata, Action, Club. These are all different names of brands for shoes. And you can give branding for different kinds of products also, like television, then your computers, your motorcycles, and automobiles, like that, so on. You can group number of brands. This is done in order to differentiate it from other products in the market. In the market, there are so many brands are there. To differentiate, each and every brand will have their exclusive name. Dals or pulses are usually sold loose in the market. These are the dals, the tur dal and the chana dal and Bengal gram, or you can say the chana, moong dal, and all these dals are sold in loose generally in the market. But we usually know dals by their different types like tur dal, masoor ki dal, urad ki dal, etc. These names are not brand names. Suppose if you name the dal as top taste dal or best taste dal, this naming a product is nothing but called branding or stamping a product of dals. So here see, for example, top taste dal is one advertisement which is back, and second one is, you can say, the best taste dal, top taste dal and best taste dal. Here consumers often get confused due to branding of a product. Brand values and social values. Advertisements are an important part of our social and cultural life as well today. In our social life and cultural life, they are playing pivotal part in our day-to-day life, because we are seeing the society and then following whatever society, and they are following the brandings that we are also following. And these are all what we can say, the pictures we watch, advertisements, discuss with our relatives, friends, and well-wishers, and often judge people according to the brand products they use. Then only we can decide what to buy, what not to buy. Before we buy, we discuss with our relatives, friends, all these things. See, here we are watching. Then we are, you can say, the judging. Then we are buying, which gives us at most satisfaction. All these things. Advertisements are such a powerful source of influence in our day-to-day lives. We need to able to understand the ways in which they work. Branded dolls cost much more than dolls that are sold loose, because they include the cost of packaging and advertising. So these are all branding and stamped dolls, and this is CJH, and this is one kind of another branding. This is a loose chana dal, and this is mostly cheaper than these packaged dolls. The advertisements uses the mother's concern for her child when it comes to buying of soaps for babies. So here we have Johnson baby soap, we have baby soap, and we have all best soap. Out of these three, these are all the best available soaps for babies. But mothers who cannot afford these soaps might begin to feel that they are not giving their children the best care. That is also impossible. So poor people who cannot afford this kind of branded soaps, they will afford only costless soaps, but they will not buy these 100 rupees, 200 rupees soaps for their baby. And they feel, here it is an advertisements given by our film stars, and you can understand who is this film star. Often several of our favorite film stars also try and sell products to us through advertisements, and we get affected, we get, you can say, fascinated, we get closer to these advertisements to buy the product. The second important advertisement is of a cricket hero and a cricketing figure icon is you can understand what is name. Often several of our cricket heroes also try and sell products to you us through advertisements. And this is one of the big shopping malls here. You can see the rich people or posh people, high income people are used to for this, and mostly images cover only rich people in the advertisements. What about poor? Poor people will not cover. In addition, advertisements often show us images of the lifestyles of rich people and seldom, rarely show us the reality of people's lives that we see around us. Money involved in advertisements. Lot of money is involved in advertisements, and everyone cannot advertise their products. The telecast rate for a 30-second advertisement on a major TV channel is rupees 1.65 lakhs. 1.65 lakhs. The cost of bringing out a quarter page color advertisements in a leading newspaper is rupees 8.36 lakhs. So this is a huge amount. So ordinary people and poor people cannot advertise their small products or cottage handicrafts in this medium. Advertisements in our day-to-day life. Words kills wars. That is true. Advertisements play a big role in our lives. We not only buy products based on advertisements, but often having certain brand products influences the ways in which we think about ourselves, our friends, and our family. It is therefore important to know how advertising works and understand what it does before we choose to buy the products that advertisements sell. We need to be able to critically understand why they use particular images, the personal emotion that they are appealing to, and the ways in which this affects how we think about ourselves when we use the product or not able to buy it. How does an advertisement get made? Advertising is a very important part of getting people to buy a brand. This does not happen easily, and several hundred books have been written on this. Advertisements aim to get people to buy a particular brand. This basically means that after we see an advertisement, we should want to buy the brand. Advertising and a democracy. So democracy means it is the people's government. Advertisement, what influence it has in democratic government, we will discuss. There are various ways in which advertising links to issues of equality in a democratic society. Advertising a product costs a lot of money. Usually, crores of rupees are spent advertising a brand. What this often means is that only large companies can advertise their product in the media, mass media, newspaper, television. Maybe if you own a small business, you will not have the money to show your product on TV or national newspapers and magazines. So, persons who sell papad, pickles, sweets, and jams that they have made at home are not considered as fashionable as brand products. They often have to sell their products in the weekly markets and bi-weekly markets as well as and neighborhood shops. It also makes us believe that things that are packaged and have a brand name are far better than things that do not come in packets. But it is totally false. It is not true that only packaged goods are durable, but that we cannot believe. But anyhow, people believe it. That's why they are all attracted to these branded products rather buying the locally loose sold products. In a democracy in which all people are equal and should be able to lead a life of dignity, advertising tends to promote a certain lack of respect for the poor people. Advertising and democracy, there is a deep link between democracy and advertisement. Most of the advertisements are based and targeted at the segments that are better off in the society. A lot of money is spent in the making of the advertisements, then showing them on various media is also a costly affair. To retain its image in the minds of the people, the advertisements have to be shown again and again. This naturally results in the spending of a huge amount of money. The small entrepreneurs and the producers cannot afford these advertisements. That is inequality as far as advertisements are concerned. But democracy believes in equality. Relations between advertising and democracy. Advertising plays an important role in providing the required information about any product, service, or idea to the general public. It also shows people to form their opinion and participate in democratic debates and discussions. There is a very close relationship between advertising and democracy in our day-to-day life. A taste of democracy, see and hear small advertisements for Amul, which is selling the ghee and then animal husbandry products, and which like by masses the musker, that is the people's musker, and it likes this. Thank you very much for your patient here.